In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Webflow site's performance to ensure it runs as smoothly and efficiently as possible. A fast loading site is crucial not only for a great user experience, but also for better search engine rankings. So let's dive right into the steps. The first thing you want to focus on is compressing and optimizing all images and media on your site. Large images can significantly slow down your site's load time. Before uploading any image, make sure it's in the right format and resolution. Tools like TinyPNG or Image Optim can help you compress images without losing quality. Ensuring your media is optimized will greatly enhance your site's speed and responsiveness. Next, let's minimize code by enabling minification within your site settings. Minification reduces the size of your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files, making them faster to download and execute by stripping out unnecessary characters like spaces, line breaks, and comments. In Webflow, you can enable this feature directly within your site's settings under the Hosting tab. It's a simple switch, but it can make a noticeable difference in performance. Now, take a look at any third-party integrations, interactions, and animations your site might be using. While these can add beautiful functionality, they can also slow down your site if overused. Take the time to evaluate which integrations are essential and remove those that aren't providing value. Simplifying interactions and animations where possible will keep your site's performance snappy. Always ensure that these elements are necessary and not just for show. Using caching is another excellent strategy for improving your site's performance. Caching stores a version of your site on the user's browser so that it doesn't have to reload every single time they visit a page. Webflow handles some caching automatically, but you can enhance this by setting cache expiration times for your resources, ensuring repeat visitors experience faster load times. Efficiently loading fonts is equally important. Limiting the number of web fonts and using system fonts where possible will speed up your site. Fonts can be heavy to load, so opt for only the weights and styles you truly need. Use font display. Swap in your CSS to maintain text visibility even if the custom fonts are slow to load. Lastly, ensure you're implementing responsive design practices. This is especially important for images, which should have relative sizes to fit different screen sizes effectively. Test your site on various devices to confirm that it adjusts well and maintains quick loading speeds. By following these steps, you'll be optimizing your Webflow site for better performance, which is crucial for user experience and SEO. Remember, a little effort in optimizing these elements can dramatically improve your site's efficiency and appeal. Thanks for watching, and happy building!